So, hi everyone. So, today we are going to see a new problem that is short an array zeros, 1 and 2s. So, let's suppose we have given a array which is of 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, and we have to print it in the 0, 0, then 1 and then 2, 2. So, we have to sort basically zeros, 1 and 2. So the simple way is to do so is just simply use a sort method and sort this. So we will just get the output of it. If we try to just compile and run it, you can see we are getting the output, and if we submit it, then also it got passed. Now the time complexity for this is going to be n log n. Now we will see the second approach. So the second approach is also very simple. In that, what we can do is we can just simply go and count how many zeros are there, how many ones are there, and how many twos are there. Either we can use hash map, so in that we will store the count and then we will print it, or we can use a for loop for that. So you can try this out if you're not able to find out. So just let me know. But for now, we are moving to the third approach, which is the switch. So we are going to use a switch, but for now we will create a three different variable. The first one is low, which is point to zero index. High will point at the last of the index, and the mid is going to point at the zero index. And there we will create one temporary variable which will help us to swap. So we will create as a temp, and now we will start the while loop, which will see the condition if mid is less than equal to high. Now we will create a switch, and inside that switch we will start taking the values from the mid. So whatever the values of this a of mid is, we will check either it is a 0, 1 or 2, and accordingly we will follow some rules. So if it is 0, then what we will do is we will swap it with the low of the element. So we will store that temp is equal to a of low, and then in that a of low we will store that value of a of mid, and this a of mid has the value of temp. Now we will just simply low plus plus and mid plus plus. Now we will break it out, and now we'll see for the case 2 where we have just case as 1. So in that we just have to increment the mid value because the 1 is at the right position, and this is what we are expecting. And now we will see for the case 2 where we will check if it is the high one. So in that way, we will swap it with the high and mid. So we will use A of mid, and then we will put it in the high values, and in that A of high, we will put it of the temp value, and then we will just simply high minus minus, and then we will just break it out. So we will just see uh, whether it is running fine or not. Actually, N is already declared. I don't need to do that. So we can see we are getting the expected output. We will just submit it. So now this is all about this video. Hope you like it. That's all. Thank you.